Many people call this a rabbit hole, but for those of us who appreciate fine craft, I call this a pure form of modern digital art. Today, we are embarking on a journey to build a true, endgame, mechanical keyboard from the ground up, starting with absolutely nothing but raw parts. Welcome back to the studio, where we turn raw metal and electronic components into a masterpiece of technology and sound that will last a lifetime. Creating the perfect typing experience requires patience, precision, and an eye for detail. Every single component chosen today has a very specific purpose in mind. Can you hear that subtle click? That is the beginning of a symphony. We are aiming for perfection in every keystroke we will eventually make. The foundation of any great build starts with the weight and rigidity of the case. This solid block of aluminum is our starting point today. Prepare your senses for the ultimate assembly process. This is not just a peripheral. It is the endgame project, designed for the most demanding users. Let's dive into the anatomy of these components to understand why they cost more than a high-end laptop, and why they are worth it. First, we look at the soul of the machine. The components are laid out in perfect order, showcasing the harmony of industrial design and electronics. This CNC machined case weighs over 2 kilograms. That density is crucial for eliminating hollow sounds and providing a premium, rock-solid feel during heavy typing. Listen to that solid ping. That is the sound of high-grade 6061 aluminum, a material often used in aerospace for its incredible strength and durability. Next is the PCB, the brain of our build. These horizontal flex cuts allow the board to bounce slightly, reducing fatigue during long coding sessions. To complement the PCB, we are using a carbon fiber plate. It offers a unique balance between stiffness for speed and flexibility for comfort and sound. Not all switches are created equal. We have selected 3 distinct types to compare, examining the internal stems that dictate the feeling of every press. Choosing the right switch is a personal journey. Today, we are going with a custom linear switch for that legendary smooth and buttery movement. Every detail matters, even the parts you will never see. This internal brass weight adds the final touch of luxury and acoustic dampening needed. I should probably warn you, once you start down this path, your wallet might start crying, but the satisfaction of the final product is unmatched. Now, we enter the most time-consuming phase of the build. It is time to prepare the switches for their transformation into smooth typing instruments. The process begins by carefully opening each individual switch. We have to disassemble over 80 pieces to treat every internal component with care. We are using krytox 205 grams 0, the gold standard for linear switches. It requires a very steady hand and a minimalist approach to avoid over-lubing. Watch as the brush glides over the plastic. This thin layer of lubricant eliminates friction, transforming a scratchy experience into something that feels like silk. The springs are also treated to remove that annoying metallic crunch or ping. Consistency across every single spring is key to a uniform sound profile. Every surface that touches another must be smooth. This is the art of tuning, where we refine the factory's mass-produced parts into something truly custom. Doing this for one switch is easy. Doing it for nearly 100 is a test of patience that many enthusiasts describe as a form of meditation. You have to find your rhythm. One mistake can lead to a sluggish key, so focus is everything during these hours of repetitive, but rewarding, work. Once the lube is applied, we snap the housings back together. The sound of a freshly lubed switch is already vastly different from a stock one. Can you see the difference? The lubed switch returns faster and moves without any jitter. It is the secret ingredient to that premium, thocky sound. A full tray of completed switches is a beautiful sight. These are now ready to be installed into the heart of our custom keyboard project. The hardest part is behind us. Now, we move from the delicate work of lubrication to the permanent and exciting stage of soldering the electronics. We carefully align each switch pin with the PCB holes. A bent pin here could cause a key to fail, so we proceed with caution. The smell of solder is in the air. This is where the mechanical components finally meet the electronic world to become a functional tool. A perfect solder joint should look like a small, shiny volcano. It ensures a stable electrical connection that will last for decades of typing. There is something incredibly satisfying about the precision of soldering. It is the moment where all these separate parts truly become one single machine. Safety first. Always work in a ventilated area. The lead-free solder we use today provides a strong bond without the harmful fumes of older formulas. Now for the secret to a soft feel. Gasket mounting. We apply these foam strips to isolate the plate from the hard metal of the case. This creates a floating effect. Instead of a harsh impact, the entire typing surface will compress slightly under your fingers, like a high-end car suspension. Notice how the plate moves. This flexibility is what separates a standard keyboard from a true custom masterpiece designed for ultimate comfort and sound. We tighten the screws in a cross pattern, just like a car wheel, to ensure the pressure on the gaskets is perfectly even across the board. The first power-up is always a nervous moment, but the lights are on, and our PCB is ready to register its very first keystrokes. Every king needs a robe, and every endgame keyboard needs a set of premium keycaps. We have chosen a legendary set for this build. These are double-shot abs, meaning the letters are actually a separate piece of plastic molded inside. They will stay crisp and clear forever. We are using the cherry profile today. It is lower and more sculpted than standard keys, which helps in creating that sought-after deep, thocky sound. This is the most visually satisfying part of the build. Watching the raw switches disappear under a sea of beautiful, high-contrast colors is pure joy. The stabilizers have been tuned with extra care. A rattling spacebar can ruin an entire build, but this one sounds as solid as a rock. Every press feels intentional. The texture of the keycaps provides just enough grip while feeling incredibly smooth to the touch during fast typing sessions. The transformation is complete. What started as a pile of parts is now a cohesive piece of hardware that looks as good as it performs. Keycaps are more than just aesthetic, they are the primary interface. They change the acoustics by acting as resonance chambers for the switch underneath. The geometry here is designed for the human hand. It reduces wrist strain and allows for a more natural typing rhythm over long periods. Now, the moment you have all been waiting for. It is time to let the keyboard speak for itself in our final sound test. Listen carefully to the depth of the sound. There is no high-pitched ping, only a deep, satisfying thock that resonates through the entire aluminum chassis. Each key has a uniform sound. The hours spent lubricating and tuning have paid off, resulting in a consistent acoustic profile across the entire board. The stabilizers are perfectly balanced. Whether you hit the edge or the center, the response is identical, providing a sense of total control and stability. This is the endgame sound enthusiasts dream of. It is clean, focused, and free of any distracting plastic rattle or metallic resonance from the case. You can feel the quality in every stroke. It is not just about the noise, it is about the tactile feedback and the vibration through your fingertips. This is a symphony of engineering, a perfect blend of metal, plastic, and electronic precision that redefines what a keyboard can actually be for a user. Even the artisan details stand out. Every part of this build reflects the personality and the dedication of the maker who put it all together today. The sound of perfection text appears on the screen, emphasizing the quality of the acoustics we have achieved through our meticulous assembly process. That silence is just as important. It shows that the board is perfectly dampened and doesn't carry any unnecessary vibrations or unwanted noise after use. We have reached the end of this journey. The project is complete, and the results have exceeded every expectation I had when we first started. Building something like this is about more than just typing. It is about creating a tool that makes every minute of your work feel special. Is this truly the end game? In this hobby, we often say that the next build is always just around the corner, waiting to be discovered. But for now, this is perfection. The combination of sound, feel, and aesthetic is exactly what I was searching for when I began this project. It is time to put this masterpiece to work. Whether it's for gaming, coding, or writing, this keyboard is ready to handle anything I throw at it. I hope this journey has inspired you to start your own build. The world of custom keyboards is vast and waiting for your unique touch. Thank you for joining me in this workshop today. It has been a pleasure sharing the art of the mechanical keyboard with all of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more high-end builds and technical deep dives into the world of custom hardware. Until next time, keep searching for your own endgame. There is always something new to learn and a new sound to discover in this hobby. Goodbye for now, and happy typing. I will see you in the next video for our next great adventure in technology and design.